Swatted at the rim by Mobley.
Kung meron mang big man na NBA player na dapat tularan ni Kai Sotto, ay ito si Evan Mobley. Grabe kasi ang development ni Mobley in the last 2 years. Magkasing edad lang sila at mas marami ang kanilang similarities kaysa difference. Pareho silang multi-skilled player at maraming mga moves ni Evan na kaya rin ni Kai. Pareho silang maliit ang katawan, who relied on their quickness and skills upang magiging effective sa kanilang laro. Pero mukhang kailangan pa ni Kai na makuha ang aggressiveness ni Evan, especially sa depensa at rebounding. Pero upang magkaroon tayo ng magandang pananaw kung gaano kagaling itong si Evan Mobley, ay panoorin natin ang comparison video ni na Evan at Kai.
Shovels to Mobley. 離れて守りましたカイソット。自分でダンクに持っていくのはユーロステップから。My goodness. そのカイソットに通ったゴール下2人いるがそれでもカイソットです。ゴールになった。さあ河村がスピードに乗る。カイソットに通したい。通って決まりました。持っていけるか。カイソットのこれ2ポイント。
Easy deuce. Doesn't give up on the point.
残り1分30秒。カイソットこれは不利になりました。ダンクで。
Play says not on my watch. That could be a season.
Ito ang scouting report ni Evan Mobley ng NBA Big Board. Mobley should be a versatile NBA big man who can score from anywhere. He has a soft touch around the basket, can step out and hit perimeter jumpers, including threes, and has the unique ability at his size to take defenders off the dribble and get to the rim. So reading his scouting report, ay pareho rin ng scouting report kay Kai Sotto. Pareho silang versatile big man na pwedeng umiscore kahit saan mang banda sa court. Merong shooting sa perimeter that extends to the 3-point area. At pareho rin silang merong ability na umatake galing sa labas dahil meron silang decent dribbling skill. Ito ang mga skills na meron na si Kai ngayon. Ang kulang na lang ng ating idol ay ang lakas ng katawan ni Evan Mobley at age 23. Well, 22 pa naman ngayon si Kai and expect next year na mas lalo pa siyang gagaling kapag maging malakas na ang kanyang katawan katulad ng lakas kay Evan Mobley. Pero ang pinakamalaking advantage ni Evan ay ang kanyang lateral defense na kung saan ito naman ang pinakamalaking problema ni Kai. Although magaling si Kai sa mga drop coverage, pero isang malaking challenge sa kanya ang mga ball screens. I don't know kung masusolusyonan pa ba ni Kai ang kanyang pick and roll defense, pero sa ngayon ay isang malaking challenge pa rin ito. Unlike Evan na kung saan, magaling siya defensively and he reminds me of A.J. Edo in terms of defense. And what is so special about Evan ay ang kanyang continued development sa kanyang opensa ngayong nasa NBA na siya. Hindi pa man huli ang lahat para kay Kai, and who knows, baka merong NBA coach na magtitiwala sa kanyang strengths at pati ang kanyang weaknesses ay tatanggapin din.
Hey, hey, hey! Attention mga kapatrol! Get ready for an epic giveaway! Once Express Info hits 150k subscribers, one lucky winner will win the incredible Oppo Reno 11F 5G smartphone. Here's how to join. Step 1. Subscribe to Express Info right now. Step 2. Like this video. Then step 3. Comment anything good and positive about our idol Kai Sotto. Super easy. Just subscribe, like, and comment.
At kilalanin naman natin si Evan Mobley. Si Evan ay ipinanganak noong June 18, 2001. Siya ay isang American professional basketball player para sa Cleveland Cavaliers ng NBA. Naglaro siya ng college basketball para sa USC Trojans at kinuha siya ng 3rd overall pick ng Cleveland Cavaliers sa 2021 NBA Draft. Si Mobley ay itinuturing na isang consensus 5-star recruit at isa sa mga nangungunang 3 manlalaro sa 2020 recruiting class. At sa isang pagkakataon ay nangunguna sa rank ni Cade Cunningham. At noong August 2019, nagpasya siyang maglaro sa college basketball para sa USC sa kabila ng mga alok mula sa UCLA at Washington at iba pang malalaking NCAA Division I programs. And he became one of the highest-ranked players to join the program. Si Mobley ay tinanghal na Pac-12 Player of the Year, Defensive Player of the Year, and Freshman of the Year. He became the second player from a major conference to win the trio of awards, joining Anthony Davis of the Southeastern Conference in 2012. At noong April 2021, nagdeklara si Evan para sa 2021 NBA Draft, foregoing his remaining college eligibility, and Mobley was seen by many bilang ikalawang pinakamahusay na prospect sa 2021 NBA Draft, kasunod ni Cade Cunningham. At pinili si Mobley bilang third overall pick in the 2021 draft by Cleveland Cavaliers, and he signed with the team. He was named the NBA Eastern Rookie of the Month for games that played on October and November. And on December, Mobley became the first Cleveland rookie since LeBron James in March 2004 to record 5 blocks in an NBA game. At starter si Evans sa lahat ng 69 games na kanyang nilaruan. Natapos ang season na may average na 15 points, 8.3 rebounds, 2.5 assists, 1.7 blocks, and 0.8 steals. Siya ang nangunguna sa mga rookie sa parehong rebounds at blocks per game, habang nagtapos siya sa ikalimang pwesto sa puntos per game. Siya ang ikalawang pinakamahusay na rookie sa likod ni Scottie Barnes ng Toronto Raptors. Kasama ang All-Star center na si Jarrett Allen, pinangunahan ni Evan Mobley ang Cleveland Cavaliers. He does everything for us. Defensive-wise, offensive-wise, he's a 7-foot unicorn. Yan ang sabi ni Darius Garland tungkol kay Evan Mobley. Evan finished as the runner-up to Scottie Barnes in voting for the NBA Rookie of the Year. Ang 15-point difference was the smallest voting margin since the awards voting format began in 2002 to 2003. At noong January 2023, umiscore si Mobley ng career-high 38 points on 19 of 27 shooting from the field, kasama ang 9 rebounds and 3 assists sa kanilang 114 to 102 na panalo kontra Milwaukee Bucks. He became only the fourth player since 1979, when the three-point line was adopted, to score at least 38 points without making a free throw or three-pointer. Hakeem Olajuwon, Alex English twice, and George Gervin are the others who did the same. At noong April 2023, Mobley finished third in voting para sa Defensive Player of the Year, and Mobley was named to the NBA All-Defensive First Team. Before the year-end in 2023, nag-announce ang Cleveland Cavaliers na si Evan Mobley will undergo arthroscopic left knee injury to treat discomfort in his knee na siyang dahilan kung bakit hindi siya nakapaglaro ng nakaraang 4 na games, estimating that he would be out for recovery for approximately 6 to 8 weeks. At noong May 2024 in Game 2 of the Eastern Conference Semifinals, umiscore si Mobley a playoff career-high 21 points, kasama ang 10 rebounds, and a playoff career-high 5 assists sa kanilang 118 to 94 na panalo laban ng Boston Celtics. Nakapaglaro siya para sa Team USA sa 2018 FIBA Under-17 World Cup sa Argentina. At sa 7 laro, nag-average siya ng 9.3 points, 5.6 rebounds, and 2.6 assists, na tumulong sa kanyang kupunan na manalo ng ginto. Sumali rin si Evan Mobley sa Team USA para sa 2019 FIBA Under-19 World Cup sa Heraklion, Greece,